Andrew here with the Tower e-bike repair shop. Got another fun test ride, first impressions here. We got another Super 73. This time we have the higher end. We have the Super 73 RX model. RX is their full suspension. You know, you have the front mean dual crown fork, and then you do have a pretty big rear coil fork or a rear coil shock. And this guy has a 750 watt rear hub drive. This guy also does come with a few different speeds with a Z derailleur on this particular configuration. So you know, we'll get jamming here. Without further ado, we will start this test ride. All right, so not the torquiest acceleration or anything, but you know, it's definitely a smooth ride so far. Obviously, got to slow it down here as we come up for rolling into the street. And we're clear to go. So I'm going to try pedaling this guy. Pedal assist level 4. So this bike doesn't quite have the same problem that the Super 73 S1 has. You can definitely pedal it a little bit easier. You don't feel like you're topping off the speed so much, just due to kind of the body positioning. It's not super fun to pedal, but this particular model with the multiple speeds and the longer seat is definitely a little bit better as far as a pedaling position. Again, still not the most comfortable, but definitely a little better. Now, this bike's definitely much faster. We're going about 25, 26 right now. I got a couple, a few cars around me. And I've got some turns, so obviously like to keep it a little slower right now. Once we get to the straightaway, we'll see kind of what the top speed on this guy is. So this one's nice and smooth. Definitely feel the full suspension a little bit on it. It's a little bouncier compared to the full rigid S1. All right, we're pulling up here to the stop sign, and we got a car coming, so gonna stop for a sec, let him go by. All right, now we're clear, so gonna jam. Now we'll see how fast this guy really goes. All right, we're up to about 25, 26, 28, 29. All right, we're over 30. We are at 30 right now, and that seems to be right around where we're hovering, so pretty fun. Full suspension definitely helps the bike feel nice and stable. You know, don't feel like I'm bouncing around like crazy. Got a car coming out, so slowing down a bit. Always want to practice safe riding. You got to be aware of your surroundings. Yeah, and it does feel like it has a little bit of a gradual acceleration as well. Like it almost starts off kind of slow, and then ramps up pretty quick. So. All right, we're gonna bring it back around to the front of the shop, or I guess the rear of the shop. So yeah, again, it starts off pretty slow, but picks up pretty quick. All right, and pulling up to the rear of the Tower e-bike repair shop. So definitely a fun ride. I really enjoyed that one. Definitely more fun than the S1 model. Definitely goes a lot faster, but you know, that's to be expected, seeing as this guy comes with a 750 watt, you know, where the S1 only has the 500 watt. So having that extra 250 nominal on that wattage definitely helps a lot, because you know, you're going to get that sustained 750, but you'll peak up to that 1000, where on the 500 watt you're going to be, you know, kind of peaking around 750. Where you're gonna get that 500 most of the time. But yeah, the RX is a lot of fun. Definitely like the full suspension. It's not it's not the most plush in the world, but you know, after riding the S1, I definitely do appreciate the suspension a little bit. I do, as a tall guy, I do really like having the extended seat on the R here. S1, I definitely felt a little little confined, definitely felt a little smaller, where this R definitely feels a little more stretched out, feels a little more comfortable for me. I don't feel like I'm drowning in my knees quite as much. So yeah, overall, Super 73 R, a lot of fun to ride. Definitely be a fun thing to commute on. You know, you're gonna hit about right around 30 miles per hour. Handles well, nice smooth ride. Overall, I definitely enjoyed it. So thanks for joining us, and I hope you have a great day.